In this lesson, we're working with two rudiments, the double stroke roll and the standard paradiddle. Now for both of these rudiments, we're using very short versions of the rudiments. So each time we play a double stroke in this lesson, it will only be 4 notes long. So right, right, left, left, or left, left, right, right. And each time we play a paradiddle, it will only be half of that full rudiment cycle. So it'll either be right, left, right, right, or left, right, left, left. In our first measure, we're playing 16th note triplets. Each beat is a grouping of 6, and each grouping of 6 has one thing in common. They all start with 2 kick drums and end with 4 hands. So if we just look at beats 1 and 3, you can see that these are identical. We have 2 kick drums, 2 hi-hats with the right hand, and 2 ghost notes with the left hand on the snare. Easy enough. Now if we look at just beats 2 and 4, you can see that these are also identical, but we're using left hand lead paradiddles here. Our pattern in beats 2 and 4 is kick, kick, left, right, left, left. And you should also notice that the orchestration here is really simple. The right hand stays on the hats no matter what, and the left hand stays on the snare no matter what. That's going to hold true for the remainder of this lesson. Even as our patterns change, the hands are going to stay in the same place, so that makes this a little bit easier. Let's try this measure out exactly as it's written in 16th note triplets. Let's do it. Alright, so let's make this a little bit tougher. What we're going to do now is reverse our patterns in each beat. So what that means is in beats 1 and 3, we're going to play a left hand lead double, left, left, right, right. And in beats 2 and 4, we're going to play a right hand lead paradiddle, right, left, right, right. So everything is just sort of mirrored. And of course, remember that the orchestrations don't change. The right hand is still glued to the hat, and the left hand is still glued to the snare drum. Let's try it out at those same speeds with our patterns now reversed. And for our grand finale, we're going to smash these two exercises together for one very complicated measure of music. In the first 2 beats, we're playing right hand lead double strokes and a left hand lead paradiddle. And in beats 3 and 4, the last half of the measure, everything gets reversed. We're playing a left hand lead double and then a right hand lead paradiddle. Needless to say, there are definitely a ton of creative options here if you decide that you want to start experimenting with different patterns, with different orchestrations, and we haven't gone that far in this lesson yet. But feel free to experiment here with this same template. There's a whole lot of stuff that you could extract from an idea like this. With that said, let's play our final measure here at a couple speeds, and then we are on to lesson 4. Thank you for watching this clip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking for more content like this, I have a ton of it waiting for you on OrlandoDrummer.com. It's an online education platform, very much in the style of Netflix. You can download our iOS and Android apps. Links are down in the description of this video. I promise you will find something you like there, and you can try it free for 7 days. I'll see you guys there.